like you, I love you. No one like you, I love you. I love you. The vision you gave, the hope that grew. I'm like you, we love you. Through every storm we stand with you. In the land where dreams arise, a vision shining through the skies, a man who stood for strength and pride. Muhammad on a Jinnah, our body light. His words were gold, his heart was pure. With faith, humility, he ensured a nation built on hope and might. For freedom, he would fight for fight. When like you, we love you. The vision you gave, the hope that grew. When like you, we love you. Forever strong, we stand with you. With every step, the road is long. Where he stands steadfast, proud and strong. Through the struggles we try to face, in his footsteps we are led. We're like you, we love you. The vision you gave, the hope that grew. Like you, we love you. Through every storm we stand with. He gave us faith, a nation's birth, to lift our heads, to know our worth, a leader true, to thick and thin. His legacy we carry within. And like you, we love you. The vision you gave, the hope that grew. And like you, we love you. Through every storm we stand with you. In the heart of Pakistan, you'll forever be a symbol of strength, a legacy. And like you, we love you. Forever we'll stand with you. And like you, we love you. The vision you gave, the hope that grew. And like you, we love you. Through every storm we stand with you.